46th. Reverse I am going, huh? A tuning fork A produces 4 beats per second with another tuning fork B of frequency 384 hertz. Now only if I read till this, Aman, can you tell what are chances of frequency of A? Yes, Aman, any chances? I think you followed what I wrote. A can be either greater by 4 or smaller by 4.
Yeah.
That is, it can be 388 or 380 hertz.
380.
अभी ये दोनों में से which one? For that they have given some condition further. When prongs of A are filed a little, so when A is filed, what will happen to the frequency? Will always increase. This is always increase. Always increase. But I don't know what will be happening to bit frequency that they have given. Filed a little, number of beats heard are 3. So is it decreasing? Number of beats are decreasing? Yeah. Beats are decreasing. 4 से 3 हो गया. So if you remember that statement, if frequency increases, bit frequency also increases, larger is correct. But here frequency has increased, but bit frequency has decreased. Therefore, smaller is correct. Correct or not?
Yes.
Smaller.
Yes.
Is correct. That means who is correct? 380 hertz.
Yes.
Solve करो. सबको समझा बराबर? दो चांस है, 388 और 380. So to check which is correct, they are telling condition it is filed. After filing, I know frequency will increase. If bit frequency also increases, larger correct. But वो लोग ने बोला bit frequency has decreased up to 3, so smaller correct. ये आंसर है. Yes, Arya, Neha, Isha, Pranjali, followed everything.
Yes, sir.
How was yesterday's paper? Easy, difficult?
Easy.
Okay.
Easy.
Okay, करो.
That's it.
Okay. 45. When a tuning fork A of frequency 100 hertz is sounded with tuning fork B, the number of beat heard is 2 beats per second. So what is chance of frequency of B? 102 or 100, correct? Oh, sorry, or 98.
98.
Now to check who is correct, they have given condition. On putting wax, wax means loaded or piled?
Loaded.
By loading, frequency decreases. If beat frequency also decreases, larger is correct. This is our note.
Yes.
Let us see what they are telling. After loading, the prong number of beat per second becomes 1. So as per condition, it has decreased. Correct?
Yes, sir.
As per condition, beat frequency has decreased. Therefore, correct frequency will be larger one. Larger means which one? 102, not followed.
Followed.
Yeah, sorry. Karan, after the class, please wait. Karan Gora.
Yes.
Mohit, please understand the situation. Work harder. Be honest with yourself.
Done, sir.
Okay. 43. Oh, sorry, 44. To sitar A and B. In place of tuning fork, they are telling sitar A and B. Playing the note dha. What are musical notes? Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. So they are playing which note? Dha. Are slightly out of tune. एक लाइन प्रिंट नहीं है. Producing 5 hertz. तो ये धा आवाज के बीच में गड़बड़ी है. So it is giving 5 hertz. The tension of A of B is increased such that beat frequency becomes 8. Tension of किसका increased? B. Tension of B is increased. Then beat frequency is increased to 8 hertz. Okay. Original beat frequency is 5. New wala is 8. Is it increased or decreased?
Increased.
तो अभी देखो एक आगे चैप्टर में आएगा फ्रीक्वेंसी का फॉर्मूला फॉर सितार और स्ट्रिंग इज रूट ऑफ 1/2L रूट ऑफ T by L. So what you see, directly proportional to tension or inversely proportional?
Directly.
Directly. That means tension is increased, frequency is increased. तो फाइलिंग वाला केस है ना ये.
Yes.
फाइलिंग में फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ता है ना, तो ये वही केस है ना.
Yes,
Also beat frequency has increased, therefore A should be larger. I hope you followed. Meaning both increase larger, correct ना?
Yes.
A का frequency नहीं, B should be larger. B का दिया है B. A का frequency बोला है 427. So what will be frequency of B? Larger is correct. 427 plus 8 or not? 435. Any doubt? Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, solve. 427 plus 5 bit था ना पहले 5, that is 432. Original 427 with B gives 5 bits, so B का frequency larger नहीं तो smaller but larger, correct, because they are telling tension बड़ा है, frequency बड़ा, bit frequency बड़ा.
So,
Yes,
so if both are increased, then larger is correct. If
correct,
one is
very good.
increased-
Yes. Ulta then smaller, correct. Same then larger.
Okay.
Same means both decrease, both increase, then larger.
Answer.
Okay. $43. ऊपर वाला question, the frequency of fork will be. Okay, first 42 we have to do, then in sequence it is 43. Each of given set of 32 tuning fork, very important question. Arranged in series of increasing frequency gives 6 beats per second. How many tuning fork? 32.
We do
Gives how many?
6 beats per second.
6 beats. Increasing order or decreasing order?
Increasing.
Increasing. So if first is 1, what will be second one? N plus 6.
Yes.
What will be the next one? N plus 12.
Multiple.
Dot. ये first, ये second, ये third. If you see, second wala is 1 into 6, third wala is 2 into 6. So 32 wala will be what? N minus 31 into 6 or not?
Yes.
Maths में को arithmetic progression बोलते हैं ना?
Yes.
Nth term in AP n minus that A plus n minus 1 into D wala, बराबर?
Yes.
फिर से again. Let the frequency of first be n, second in increasing order, so n plus 6, because 6 bits it has to produce. Third one will be plus 6 more. So 32 wala will be what? 31 into 6, that you followed. Yes, Sandesh, Rajvardhan, Aditya, you all have followed?
Yes, sir.
Now what they are saying us? They are saying 6 bits per second with the preceding one. Last fork is octave. Octave means not 8, here means double frequency. What is octave? Double.
Well,
देखो सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा. This eighth one is again repeated of first one or not? Count with the finger. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Is it eighth one?
yes.
So that means first
Yes.
and eighth are matching. तो एक का फ्रीक्वेंसी n, दूसरे का 2n, फर्क n ही आएगा ना? तो आवाज सेम देगा ना, सा 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 सा. So that is called octave. What will be second octave? 4 times. First octave double, second octave 4 times. Okay?
Yes, sir.
1 octave lower than half, 2 octave lower than 1/4. Remember this. Octave means what? Octave means
Double.
double. And twice octave means 4 times. Octave lower means half. 2 octave lower, 1/4, and so on. Now last is n plus 31 into 6 is double of first because it's octave. So n plus 186 is 2n. Can I say 186 is n?
Yes, sir.
So frequency of first they want. क्या पूछा है? Find the frequency of lowest. That means first. So I got 186. 186 option B. I hope you followed perfectly.
Yes, sir.
Next में बोला है what is frequency of 21st 4? Frequency of 21st is n plus 20 into 6. कोई शक?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So 186 plus 120 will become 306. Option C. Do this two sums. Today once again we can meet 6 to 7.
Yes, sir.
चलेगा क्या 6 to 7?
हाँ सर चलेगा.
नहीं कोई तो कुछ
Yes, sir.
हाँ, कोई तो कुछ बीच बीच में बोल रहे थे. कोई रिजा ही बोल रही रहता है.
My math class.
अरे bunk maths what? Every time maths. You are doctor now. चलो 5 to 6 रख दो. 5 to 6 अगर 6 to 7 गैप है नहीं है.
So
Yes,
5 to
sir.
7 math class.
अरे ऐसा मत करो ना यार. 5 to 7 है आपका.
तो वो रेगुलर
8 to
लेक्चर
9.
है, एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर नहीं है.
रेगुलर लेक्चर नहीं है ये.
रेगुलर लेक्चर ही है, दिस नॉट एन एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर.
अरे टेल गिव हॉलीडे. योर दिवाली यू शुड एंजॉय. नो हाउ मच यू स्टडी.
So from tomorrow he is giving.
हाँ व्हाट नहीं जा.
So he is giving holidays from tomorrow.
अच्छा. 4 7 no, but after that I have got class. एक काम करो 8:30 चलेगा क्या? 8:30 to 9:30. 8:30 to 9:30 will work out for you all.
सर नहीं वो नहीं चलेगा.
About what you are saying?
कंप्यूटर साइंस है.
Oh, what time?
सर 8:30 to 10.
अरे ऐसा गड़बड़ करते हैं आपका. तो फिर रात वाला ही कर देना 10:15 वाला.
हाँ चलेगा.
चलेगा क्या सबको?
चलेगा सर.
नहीं किसको तो करंजी बनाने का रहेगा घर पे. ईशा क्या करंजी बनाना है? चलेगा 10:15 10:15.
हाँ सर चलेगा. 10.
Yes sir.
अच्छा चलो 10:15 रखते हैं आज फिर से. Complete this. See anybody is not helping mom no? करंजी लाडू बनाने के लिए.
Done.
Done. Okay, 1 second wait. Huh? Next one. 41. एक मिनट अबे अबे तो ऊपर क्या लगता है अपना बजट है अभी कितना है तो आपको 7350 लगता है 725 726 अभी कितना है 73 पे कितना है 7365 7325 some number 41 40 हाँ 1 wavelength of two note in air are wrong printed है 185 402 upon 175 402 नहीं wrong print हो गया I'm just giving different values. 185 upon 85 upon 177 and 85 upon 175. These two values. Not that, huh? Meter. Each note produces 4 beats per second with the third note. Very, very important. Each note produces 3 each note produces 4 bits with the third one. ये first है, ये second one. These two are producing 4 bits with whom? With themselves or with third?
Third.
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 So that means N1 with third gives 4 bit, N2 with third is also giving 4 bit. Followed?
Yes, sir.
This symbol means difference. I don't know who is larger, but first one, second one, third के साथ 4 bits they are giving. Correct?
Yes.
Find the note of higher frequency. Anybody can use his wisdom and check who is greater, N1 क्या N2 from lambda. Any relation between lambda and frequency? Inverse है ना?
Upon lambda.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो N1 बड़ा है क्या N2 बड़ा है बोलो? Lambda 1 डिनोमिनेटर मोटा मतलब lambda 1 छोटा. Is it? So lambda N1 is greater ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो इसका मतलब क्या ये N1 वाला ट्यूनिंग 4 ये N2 वाला ट्यूनिंग 4 बीच में N3. तो whenever with third बोला मतलब बीच वाला. So N1 N3 is giving me 4 beat, N3 N2 is giving 4 beat because N3 is बीच वाला. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Not followed. अगर ये 100 है N3 तो 105 and 95 दोनों का साथ में it will give me 5 beat ना.
Yes, sir.
That means my N3 is बीच वाला or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So whenever with third they say मतलब वो third वाला is बीच वाला. अभी N1 can be first or N2 can be first. So you have to check who is greater by lambda. So I got lambda 1 is smaller, therefore N1 is larger. So can I say therefore N1 minus N3 is 4 and here N3 minus N2 is 4. Not followed.
Followed.
About
Add the two. What you will get? Add. What you will get? This will get cancelled. So can I say N1 minus N2 will become 8?
Yes.
Okay. N1 minus N2 is 8. Equation 3. Speed of sound is given? No. So this is suppose equation 3. Now lambda 1 upon lambda 2 will be N2 by N1 or not?
Yes.
Because it is reciprocal. So lambda 1 is 85 upon 177. 85 upon 175 is N2 by N1. Please copy this much, then I'm explaining further. हेलो, अरे फोन तो किया था लेकिन अश्विन ने उठा लिया फोन। हाँ नहीं, उन्होंने फोन उठाया, मैं बोला अरे मैंने अल्टाओ किया था, तो बोले नहीं मैं घर में हूँ। मैं हाँ हाँ, तो मेरे को लगा शायद आप तो बिजी रहे होंगे। हाँ हाँ, ठीक है। वो ऐसे नहीं लगा, उन्होंने कुछ बताया नहीं क्या मेरे बात को? 15 मिनट उन्होंने मुझसे बात किया। पहले मैंने उनको फोन लगाया, उन्होंने बोला वो बोले मेरा लेक्चर है, मैं बोला ठीक है, फिर मैं आपको किया, मुझे लगा आपसे बात करता हूँ, फिर उन्होंने ही उठा लिया वही फोन। हाँ, देखो पूरा बोलते नहीं है लोग यार, मिस कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं सर जी। बहुत बहुत झूठा बोलते हैं, बहुत झूठा, उनको टपली देना पड़ेगा लगता है। चलो मिलता हूँ इवनिंग में मिलता हूँ। हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। Yes, completed.
Done.
Okay. Now, once you get this means N2 and N1 का ratio I got ना? Hello,
Yes, sir.
how much is the difference? 2.
2.
But what we want? But we want difference 8 na?
Yes.
So what I should do? Multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. Then only the difference will become 8 or not.
Yes.
Who is larger? This N1 na? So N1 will be 177 into 4. 4 into 7, 28. 4 into 7, 28 and 2, 0. 4 and 3. 28, 30 हो गया. 7 not 8. 4 7 are 28, carry 2. 28 into 30, 7 not 8. है क्या option 7 not 8? है. So this is my answer. Okay, completed.
Yes, sir. Done.
So whenever it is with third wala should be beach wala. Remember that every time. Sum number 40. 40. Two wave, one is of 2 meter, other is of 2.02 meter with same speed superimposed to produce how many beats? 2 beats. So difference in n1 n2 ka frequency is 2 beats per second. Then speed of each wave is how much? Data you all have followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lambda 1, is it less than lambda 2?
Yes.
Clearly it is visible, na? So n1 is
N1
greater than n2.
Yes.
So can I say n1 minus n2 should be 2? Hello?
Yes.
Now I'm not taking ratio because मुझे speed चाहिए. So v upon lambda 1 minus v upon lambda 2 is 2.
Yes, sir.
So v into 1 upon lambda 1 minus 1 upon lambda 2 is 2. So v into 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2.02 equal to 2. Therefore v 2.02 minus 2, 2 into 2.02 equal to 2. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please copy this much, then I will do further.
Done, sir.
Ninth. Two tuning fork having frequency 380 and 384 hertz. Frequency 380 and 384 hertz. When they are sounded together, they give 4 beats. Yes, definitely. Difference of these two is 4 beats per second. After hearing maximum, this is waxing, which is maximum. After hearing waxing, that is maximum, minimum will be heard after what time? ये पूछा है ना? So waxing will be heard for how much time? 1/4
Yes, sir.
time period will be 1/4 now of beat. So maximum will heard for what time? Hello? क्या बोला है? After hearing maximum sound, तो actually word incomplete है. After hearing maximum sound, minimum will be heard after what time? After what time? See, when you hear maximum, it will last for what time? Half of time period or not?
E/2.
That means 1/4 of 2, no? Half of 1/4, 1/8 second के बाद दूसरा सुनाई देगा, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So you hear this much, minimum will be heard only after what time? Minimum is banning, not followed, I think. See, beat frequency is 4. That means number of beat heard per second 4, time period 1/4. मतलब दो वैक्सिंग का बीच में टाइम कितना है? 1/4 ना?
1 by.
तो कितना देर
Yeah.
तक वैक्सिंग सुनेंगे हम लोग? हाफ ऑफ टाइम पीरियड वैक्सिंग, फिर हाफ ऑफ टाइम पीरियड वैनिंग आएगा ना?
Yes.
आफ्टर व्हाट टाइम व्हेन यू हियर, यू आर गोइंग टू हियर वैनिंग?
1 by.
After half of time period, isn't it?
Yes.
So that's why this 1/8 answer. Right. Can I clear it?
Done.
Next, 38. Two sounding bodies producing progressive wave given by y1 equal to 4 sine 400 pi t and y2 equals to 3 sine 404 pi t. Are situated very near to the ears of a person, he will hear the intensity ratio is between what? Okay. What is this called as? These two? Amplitude? Amplitude. What will be intensity ratio heard? Intensity ratio means square of amplitude. So can I say it will be 4/3 ka square? That is 16/9.
Yes.
Intensity ratio of maximum to minimum चाहिए. Wrong लिखा है
So
थोड़ा.
it's A1 plus A2.
No. Intensity ratio तो A1 upon A2. Maximum intensity to minimum intensity. Word print नहीं है, वो चाहिए. फिर हो जाएगा A1 plus A2, A1 minus A2, 4 plus 3, 4 minus 3, maximum to minimum intensity ratio, 7 upon 1 square, 49/1. Okay.
Yes.
And what will be beat frequency? This is omega, na?
Yes.
P ka coefficient is omega. You know that?
Yes.
So omega 1 is 400 pi, 2 pi n1 is 400 pi. That means n1 is 200.
200.
So can I say logically n2 is 2, not 2? So bit frequency is 2 bits per second. Not followed.
Yeah.
So bit frequency 2 and intensity ratio is 49:1. So option A, correct?
Yes.
Here common mistake will write 4. Ghai mein. Shall I clear it?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, okay. 37. What happens when two sound wave of frequency differing by more than 10 reaches to ear? Beats cannot be heard, na, due to persistence. Beats cannot be heard, okay?
Yes.
Shall I clear this? 37.
Yes. Sir.
नेक्स्ट एक थियरी है, उसके ऊपर बाकी का सम्स है. डॉपलर इफेक्ट व्हिच वी हैव नॉट डन. दिस इज लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ आवर चैप्टर ऑफ वेव मोशन. एक्चुअली वेव मोशन एंड stationary wave together, it is clubbed as single chapter called superposition of wave, Doppler effect. Now see, suppose somebody is telling something from far distance, you are not able to hear, तो हम लोग अपना हाथ कान के बाजू में रख लेते हैं ना, ऐसा कॉन्केव करके, कीप इट सी, रखते हैं ना ऐसा हम लोग कभी कभी. तो उससे क्या सामने वाला जोर का चिल्लाता है?
No.
No. Whatever waves which were getting scattered in the air, that we are making it to fall on our concave surface, फिर वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके वापस कान में जाता है ना वेव, जो बाहर वेस्ट हो रहा था.
Yes. Sir.
बिकॉज ऑफ विच वी फील दैट के सामने वाले का आवाज आई कैन हियर क्लियरली, तो हम लोग को लगता है वो जोर जोर बोल रहे हैं, बट एक्चुअली उसने कुछ नहीं किया. वी कलेक्टेड मोर वेव so that we can hear clearly. Correct? This type of effect is called Doppler effect. Have you seen long journey train? Long journey train have you seen?
Yes.
कौन सा ट्रेन होता है? हाथ दाखवा ट्रेन थांबवा? नहीं, वो मेजर स्टेशन पे रुकता है. Will it stop at Kanjurmarg, Bhandup, Nahur,
No,
Mundod?
sir.
No, it will stop either at Thane or Kalyan, na? If it is coming from CST side going towards native, means long
Yes,
journey
sir.
train.
Yes.
Morning hours में people go towards CST, evening hours में they come towards Mulund, है ना? That is called peak hours. तो बॉम्बे जाने का गाड़ी 2 नंबर पे मिलता है क्या 1 नंबर पे? On which platform you get that? 2. Yes, second platform. But it is so crowded, you cannot see the train coming from Thane. So one who are very smart, मुंबई में बोलते हैं दीड़ जाने, वो लोग 3 नंबर से गाड़ी देखते हैं 2 पे आ रहा है क्या. अचानक 3 से स्पीड से गाड़ी आया, लॉन्ग जर्नी ट्रेन, वो पास हो गया, तो ये स्पेयर पार्ट में आएगा ना पीछे. नहीं समझा लगता है. हेलो,
नहीं सर.
देखो 2 नंबर पे बहुत गर्दी था, तो एक आदमी को गाड़ी आ रहा है कि नहीं दिख नहीं रहा है, वो क्या करता है 3 नंबर से उल्टा देखता है ना.
हाँ, अच्छा.
लेकिन 3 नंबर तो फास्ट ट्रेन के लिए है, तो अचानक एक फास्ट गाड़ी आया, उसने कुछ सीटी बजाया नहीं और पास हो गया, तो ये आदमी कट जाएगा ना, मतलब स्पेयर पार्ट में आएगा ना.
Yes. Sir.
तो ड्राइवर 3 नंबर वाला सीटी बजाना चाहिए था क्या? नहीं, मतलब विसल ब्लो करना चाहिए था ना वो. लेकिन जैसे ही वो स्टेशन पे आया, जोर का विसल ब्लो किया, ये आदमी डर के नीचे गिर जाएगा ना, इतना आवाज.
Yes, sir.
तो लॉन्ग जर्नी वाला ड्राइवर दूर से विसल ब्लो करना चाहिए क्या? नहीं.
Yes.
जब ये दूर से ब्लो करेगा तो हम लोग को ज्यादा आवाज नहीं आता है. नजदीक आके जब स्पीड आया तो हम लोग कान में उंगली डाल के पीछे हो जाते हैं ना फिर.
Yeah,
तो
sir.
हाँ, मतलब क्या हो, ड्राइवर जोर जोर का सीटी बजाया व्हेन स्टेशन आया तो नहीं. वी कलेक्टेड मोर वेव्स ना व्हेन इट अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स अस,
Yes.
and when it receded again we started losing that wave. Not followed. तो नजदीक आया, ज्यादा वेव कान में गया, दूर चला गया, कम वेव कान में गया, तो मुझे लगा साउंड अभी कम लाउड और ज्यादा लाउड हो गया ना. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
loudness depend upon frequency as well as amplitude. तो जब बहुत फ्रीक्वेंसी वाला वेव कलेक्ट किया, मुझे लाउड साउंड लगा, दूर चला गया तो कम लगा. ये मेरा फीलिंग और माई इफेक्ट apparently is called as what? Doppler effect. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So whenever, very important for numerical, whenever there is relative motion between source and listener. सोर्स मतलब वो ट्रेन, लिसनर मतलब वो पैसेंजर, दोनों का बीच में रिलेटिव मोशन हुआ क्योंकि ट्रेन नजदीक आया ना. So whenever there is relative motion between source and listener, then apparent pitch of sound, pitch means frequency of sound, is different than actual pitch of sound. Whenever there is relative motion between source and listener, then apparent pitch of sound is different than actual pitch of sound. Pitch means frequency. This effect is called as Doppler effect. Right. Then we'll see. Then one more line I will write. When the distance goes on decreasing, apparent frequency goes on increasing, and vice versa. Copy this much. Then I'm writing that line. So in this one part is equation given. You have to compare and get something. Then दूसरा वाला tuning fork, तीसरा वाला beat frequency, fourth वाला will be this Doppler effect based sum.
Done, sir.
The apparent pitch goes on increasing when distance goes on decreasing and vice versa. Right. Formula relating apparent frequency and actual frequency.
Done.
Okay. Formula relating apparent frequency and actual frequency. See, we have only formula relating and no derivation. When source is moving, this part please remember, adjust denominator. ये थोड़ा याद रहेगा ना, फटाफट आ जाएगा. So first case, source is moving, we are going to adjust denominator. How I will explain. Source is coming closer. Frequency will increase or decrease when it comes closer? Yes, frequency will increase or decrease when it is coming closer? Comes closer, frequency will increase or decrease? Hello?
Increase.
Increase, yes, correct. So apparent frequency N1, formula is adjustment ऐसा V upon V. V is speed of sound. No change, so apparent actual same. Coming closer, frequency will increase, denominator decrease or not then? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, U is the speed of source. Copy this much. Hello? Madam, please call me after 2 days. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Source coming closer, frequency is increasing. So if I say denominator adjust, मतलब कम करना पड़ेगा. Next one, source is moving away. The apparent frequency will decrease, denominator will increase. Here N means actual frequency, N1, N2 are apparent frequency, V equals to speed of sound in air, and U equals to speed of source. Right.
That's all.
Done. Okay. Next is when listener is moving adjust adjust numerator. Listener moving, adjust numerator. So first case, listener coming closer. So we all know frequency will increase. So here N1 will be N V upon V. Adjustment is numerator plus U. Second, listener moving away. N1 is N V minus U upon V. N2 is N. Here also same. N is actual frequency. N1 comma N2 apparent frequency. V equals to speed of sound. U equals to speed of source. Copy.
Done.
Okay. Obtain formula for beat frequency when source approaches and passes away with velocity u. Bit frequency means difference in frequency. So first case, when source approaches, then apparent frequency N1 is N into V upon V minus U. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
And when source passes away, then N2 equals to N V upon V plus U. Okay. Who is greater, N1 or N2?
N1.
N1. So what will be bit frequency? N1 minus N2?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, just copy, then I'm deriving the formula.
Done, sir.
Beat frequency equals to n1 minus n2. n1 is n into v upon v minus u. This is v upon v plus u, and v common inside 1 upon v minus u minus 1 upon v plus u. So it is v plus u minus v plus u upon v square minus u square. This will get cancelled. So we get 2 times n vu upon v square minus u square. If u is very small than v, okay, just copy again this much. 2 nvu upon v square minus u square, we got beat frequency. Then one condition we are writing, if u is very small than v. v मतलब speed of sound in air वो 3 डिजिट में होता है, और u अगर 1 डिजिट में है तो very small, like it is 3 square 9. If it is suppose 300 square 900, 90,000 will be very large. So u square can be neglected. Therefore, beat frequency equals to 2n vu upon only v square, that is 2n u upon v. So if you can manage the small formula, in 10 seconds you will get answer 2n u upon v.
Done.
Now, based on this concept, I am solving few numericals so that you get idea. We were on which sum? 38.
Thirty-six.
36. Two source of sound, each of frequency 360 hertz. One moving towards the observer. This is source. Observer means listener. One is moving towards the observer, while with the same with the speed of 5 meter per second. First source. If the speed of sound is 300 meter per second, then the number of beats heard produced is how much? Means ये लोग ने ऐसा बोला है, one is moving closer, other is moving away. That line is not printed. Each one of frequency, one moving towards the observer with the speed of 5, and the other is moving away. बाद में मैं rectify करके sheet भेज दूंगा आपका पॉकेट से एक बार. So now what is formula for beat frequency? Just now I did 2n vu upon v square minus u square. That means 2n VU, ये एक digit का है, so I can eliminate that. So 2 times n is 360, U is 5, V is 300. 5 into 2 is 10 into 360 upon 300. 1, 2, 1, 2, 0 cancel. 3 12s are 36. So bit frequency is 12. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Solve.
Done, sir.
Okay. $35. The difference between frequency when approaches apparent frequency of sound as perceived by the observer during its approach and receding, difference in frequency in approaching, that's the bit frequency, is 2% of the source. Difference in frequency, that is beat frequency, is 2% of the frequency of source. So what is formula for beat frequency when it comes and moves away? 2 NVU yes, upon 2 upon 100 N. Okay. Speed of sound is given 300 and answer is given speed of source. We have to find, is it smaller than speed of sound? From answer can I say that U is very small than V? अभी आंसर क्या है मालूम नहीं, लेकिन वो चार में से एक होएगा ना, तो U square I can neglect ना.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 2n VU upon V square equals to 2 upon 100 N. 1 V cancel. 2 and 2n cancel. So U equals to V by 100. V is 300 upon 100 equal to 3. समझा ये sum? How quickly I am doing by knowing that concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do it now again. Okay, done. Everybody has done.
Yes.
34th. When both source and listener approach each other with velocity v, which is half the velocity of sound, the change in frequency of sound as detected by listener is how much? Okay, both source and listener approach each other, then what is the change in frequency? So first case, when source is coming closer, then apparent frequency is n v upon v minus u. That means it is n v upon v minus half v. That means n1 will be n v upon half of v. That means n1 is 2 times n. Equation 1. When listener is moving closer, now n, I'm calling that as n1 dash, will be n v plus u upon v. N1 dash will be n v plus half v upon v. Okay, copy this much. That means n1 dash will become 3 by 2 n, which is 1.5 n. So beat frequency will be n1 minus n1 dash 2n minus 1.5 n, which is 0.5 n. नहीं नहीं, एक सेकंड रुक जाओ, दोनों साथ में मूव कर रहे हैं ना, so it will be like this. 1 minute wait, since both are coming closer, this now both are simultaneously, not individually. So 34. So n1 will be frequency. So when it is coming closer, v minus u for listener, for source, and v plus u for listener. So it will be n times 3 by 2 v plus half v, v minus half v. That means it will become apparent frequency 3 by 2 v upon half v. So change in frequency, n1 is n into 3. That means percentage increase will be equals to 3 minus 1 into 100, 200%. So they don't want bit frequency. They are telling as heard by person, kitna percent change ho jayega frequency. So it will be original say 200%. They didn't want difference between the two. They want only what is the beat heard when both are approaching closer. So this answer 200%. Yes, clear? What was mistake in the previous one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Previous I was finding individually what is heard. Now collectively they wanted. So that's is this. Completed. One more I am doing. Till 31 I am doing. So that in extra class till 30 I will complete. So wave motion will get over today. Shall I clear it?
Yes.
33. An object producing pitch means frequency of 600 hertz approaches a stationary person means listener source in a straight line with velocity of 200 meter per second. Now see this 3 digit, you can't neglect anything. And velocity of sound is 300 meter per second. Both are 3 digit. The change in frequency as the object flies off means passes away. Change in frequency means beat frequency. So n1 minus n2, 2nvu upon v square minus u square, can't neglect anything. So 2 into 600, v is 300, u is 200. This is 300 square minus 200 square. So 2 into 6, 12, 12 into 6, 12 into 3 to the 6 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 3 square 9, 2 square 4. 3 square 9, 2 square 4. 9 minus 4, can you write 5? Into 10 raised to 4?
Yes.
Okay. So it will become now 72 upon 5 into 100, okay? Into 20. 1440, option A. 1440, option A.
Done, sir.
33. An observer moving towards stationary sound. Observer means listener. This is source. Is moving towards source. The stationary source of sound of frequency n with a speed equal to half the speed of sound. U is half of v. Then what is frequency of sound heard by him? So who is moving this time? Listener is moving. Closer or away? Closer, na?
Closer.
So frequency will be increasing. V plus u upon v. That means it is n. V plus half v upon v. So it will be equal to n. 3 by 2 v upon v. That means 1.5 n. Okay. Option is C. 3 by 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Recollecting formula is important.
Done, sir.
Okay. 31. A train blowing its whistle, moving with constant velocity u away from the observer. So source is moving away from observer, moving away. That means apparent frequency will be n v upon v plus u. The ratio of actual frequency means n to the of the whistle to the measured n1 will be v plus u upon v. That is given as 1.2. So v plus u is 1.2 v, u equals to 0.2 v, first equation we got. If the train is at velocity u, the ratio of actual, no, it is given if the train is moving away with same velocity, the ratio of actual, train is moving, first coming closer if it is moving away. Now when source is coming closer, पहला क्या था? A train blowing whistle moves with constant velocity u away from the observer, away from the observer. Yes, बराबर. So second case में, if the train with velocity u moves away होगा ये, moves closer, when source moves closer, then n1 is n v upon v minus u. So it will be n v upon v minus 0.2 v. The n1 is n v upon 0.8 v. They want what is ratio measured by observer. Then that actual ratio of actual frequency to that observer by observer n2 will be 0.8. N measured by observer, actual to that measured by observer will be 0.8. Ratio of actual frequency to that measured by observer will be, if the train is at velocity, the ratio of actual frequency पहला क्या था? Train moves with constant velocity away. Away means frequency will decrease, so it is plus. Therefore, actual is more, apparent is less. So we got v minus u. Oh, it is 1 upon 0.8. N upon, क्या कर दिया मैंने? 0.8 v apparent frequency measured by the observer. Ratio of actual frequency to that measured by observer will be. हेलो हेलो, देखो कल लाइन प्रिंट नहीं हुआ है बराबर. 1.25 आंसर है. 0.8 मतलब क्या? 10 upon 8. 10 upon 8 will become 1.25.
Yes.
Once again I'm rectifying the errors. A train blowing whistle moves with constant velocity u. One second. Yeah. सर ना, हेलो, हाँ सर. मैं 10 मिनट में आपको कॉल बैक करता हूँ. यस सर. See, n upon n by 2, n2 by n. मतलब क्या? u is 0.8 to 0.2 v. What I did here, v minus 0.2 v and 2 is n v upon 0.8. Just copy till this. कुछ उधर रेशियो उल्टा पूछा है. Otherwise, it is that answer C. It will be ratio of n2 by n, actually it should be. So 1 upon 10 upon 8 it will become, which is nothing but 5 by 4, 1.25. Then I will send the new sheet with rectification. Concept you followed? Once it is
Yes.
moving away, then it is coming closer.
Done. Sir.
Okay,
Done,
last
sir.
one. Last one. 30th. An observer, 30th, an observer moving with constant speed along circular path. The engine of the train emits sound of frequency n along circular path. If it is circular path, then engine and guard, they are at same distance every time. Hello?
Yes.
So that means, will there be any relative motion between them?
No.
So frequency heard will be same, na? No increase, no decrease, correct?
Yes.
So answer is C, because there is no relative motion. There is no relative motion.
Done.
Same type, like 29, then we'll stop. 29. An observer while going on the scooter sounds of two siren. Here sounds of two siren. While going on scooter, here sound of two siren of same frequency from two opposite direction. मतलब एक siren है, एक इधर से सुन रहा है, एक इधर से सुन रहा है, बराबर? He travels along the direction of one of the siren. तो जिसका डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है उसका साउंड कम कम होएगा ना उसको. ये स्कूटर है, ठीक है?
Yes.
So for first siren, frequency will decrease, na?
Yes.
For first, frequency will decrease. For second, frequency will increase. Okay. So what he listens, will listen beat ना? एक से कम एक से ज्यादा तो उसको बीट लगेगा ना इधर.
Yes.
So listens beats is the answer.
Done, sir.
Okay, so this lecture will stop here. Now I will just give you planner. Please copy it for 1 second so that you can start